Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Khairul Azam. Today, my group and I will be presenting about how to use the dosimeter and SLM in two different scenarios, which are laboratory environment and road traffic noise. For me, I'll be narrating about the dosimeter presentation.
Okay, hi, my name is Akmal Danish bin Ahmad Zaidi and I will be narrating about sound level meter demonstration.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Danish bin Azman and I will be the model for the noise dosimeter.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Faiz bin Abdul Sukor. I will be model sound level meter demonstration.
In this demonstration, we are going to show you how to use the noise dosimeter and what are its primary functions. Danish here will be wearing this noise dosimeter and walk around the lab to show its uses. The calibrator is used to reset all of the readings to default. Now, in normal circumstances, the SSL is set to 94 decibels, but in our scenario, we are going to set it to 114 decibels.
You need to expose the microphone by removing the phone windscreen by twisting it to expose the microphone's protective grid cap. You need to attach the appropriate adapter to your acoustic calibrator by gently sliding the calibrator onto the dosimeter's microphone. Make sure it creates a snug and airtight seal. After that, you activate the calibrator by turning it on. After that, since we are using a manual model, we need to access the calibration menu on the dosimeter. Use up or down arrows to adjust the displayed decibel level on the screen to match the calibrator's output, which is in our case 114 decibels. After that, you save and verify by pressing the accept button to save the calibration. And lastly, complete the process by turning off the acoustic calibrator and removing it from the microphone, and carefully put the windscreen back on.
Now he's going to attach the dosimeter onto his t-shirt. The primary use of this noise dosimeter is to capture the cumulative noise exposure experienced by the worker. Now he's going to walk around as usual, but in some point he's going to run into a place with higher noise levels. Now Danish is in the servers. The dosimeter picked up a peak noise level when he's working with the servers. With this analysis, the laboratory can use this peak noise level and use either engineering controls to reduce the noise at source or administrative controls to rotate shift and reduce noise exposure towards the worker.
Hello everyone, my name is Akmal Danish.
My name is Muhammad Faiz.
And in this video, I will demonstrate to you guys about the correct procedure of using SLM, sound level meter. Zoom in a bit. Demonstration. First step, turn on our sound level meter. Switch on our sound level meter. Select tools and choose calibrate. And we need to turn on our calibrator. Make sure it's 114 dB. Alright, and then select our calibrator. For this, we're gonna use Alcal 200 114 dB, 1000 Hertz. Okay, so select calibrator. Make sure it's match the calibrator model. So for this calibration, we're gonna use LDCal 200 114 dB, 1000 Hertz, and then open the cover of our SLM meter, connect the meter to the calibrator, make sure to turn on the calibrator and select do calibration. So measured difference 0.08 dB. So acceptable. It's done for calibration. Next, set up the sound level meter for our measurement. Select the appropriate weighing, which is usually A weighing, and choose the required response time, either fast or slow, depending on the measurement purpose. Now, the sound level meter is ready for use. Hold the instrument properly with the microphone facing off direction of the sound source. Avoid covering the microphone and maintain a suitable distance from large reflective surfaces to minimize measurement errors. Observe the reading on the display and allow it to stabilize. Record the sound level value shown by the instrument. If measurements are required at different locations, repeat the same procedure and record the results for each location. Completing all measurements and demonstration, make sure to switch off the sound level meter and store it properly. Proper calibration and proper handling are essential to ensure accurate noise measurements. So, based on the hierarchy assessment, appropriate control measures can be implemented following the hierarchy of controls, such as this may include engineering controls by installing noise barrier, or administrative control such as limiting exposure time and the use of personal protective equipment. Therefore, the sound level meter is an important tool for identifying noise hazards and supporting effectively control measures to ensure a safer working environment. Thank you for watching. That's all from us.